Through the please, cat. Just unscrew the little. Oh my god, a cat! Please, just stop, please, please. Unscrew. You unscrew the.
You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
Wow. Hello? Hello? Whoa. Oh God.
Hey, if you're down today, you can have a little bit of my sunshine.
Mink, mink, mink.
Woo! عدد مرعب.
Pissing all by yourself, handsome?
Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh?
Let's go.
Today, I went underneath the fridge with one of these long ass sticks to pull out Clementine's favorite toys because she likes to push them underneath the fridge.
You're a bitch.
What the
Hi, I'm Saul Goodman. Did you know that you have rights? The Constitution says you do.
Here is my cat as various food items.
I was injured in a robbery. Can I get help with my medical bills?
My wife was killed by a drunk driver.
Oh my god! Why did you do that to her?
I just don't have the energy for this.